As Halloween creeps closer, it's not just your porch or yard that deserves a spooky transformation. Your indoor spaces, like the bedroom and living room, can also get a festive makeover. Whether you're aiming for a cozy yet eerie vibe or turning your space into a haunted mansion, there are endless ways to incorporate Halloween decor indoors. The right lighting can immediately change the ambiance of any room. Consider dim, warm-toned lights, candles, string lights in Halloween shapes, or even LED strips. Pair these with seasonal accents like skulls, pumpkins, and creepy wall art to bring the spooky spirit to life. Now let's dive into some more detailed ideas to help you transform your bedroom and living room into Halloween-themed sanctuaries. Let's start with the bedroom. This space is all about comfort, but that doesn't mean it can't get a spooky upgrade. 1. Dark and dreamy bedding. Start with the bed, the focal point of the room. Change up your bedding to suit the Halloween season by using deep black, blood red, or even dark purple sheets. Layer the bed with a spooky patterned duvet. Think bats, witches, or cobwebs. To really play up the theme, add decorative pillows in Halloween shapes like pumpkins or ghosts. 2. Creepy curtains and drapes. You can instantly change the mood by switching out your curtains. Use heavy, dark curtains in colors like charcoal or deep burgundy. If you want to be more playful, go for sheer curtains with Halloween patterns, such as spiders or skulls. Pair them with faux cobwebs or small hanging bats for added effect. 3. Halloween headboard decor. Don't forget the headboard. Drape it with cobwebs, string lights, or a black fabric backdrop. For a subtle but elegant touch, you can hang a small Halloween wreath above the headboard. Black roses, fake spiders, or eerie skulls make great options for headboard decor. 4th nightstand necromancy. Spruce up your nightstand by adding Halloween-themed decor like black candles, potion bottles, or mini skulls. You can even DIY some spooky book covers for an added gothic touch. Place a cauldron or witch hat on the dresser to keep the theme alive throughout the space. Loved these Halloween room ideas? Don't forget to like this video and share it with fellow Halloween lovers to inspire their spooky setups. Next up is the living room, the heart of the home, where your Halloween decor will likely make the biggest impression on guests. 1. Mantle magic. If you have a fireplace, the mantle is the perfect place to start decorating. Drape a layer of black tulle or gauzy fabric across the mantle. Arrange a collection of candle holders, small pumpkins, and fake crows. For extra flair, you can add a garland of witches' hats, ghosts, or bats. 2. Creepy coffee table. The coffee table is often the centerpiece of the living room, making it ideal for a Halloween statement. Start with a Halloween-themed centerpiece, a black candle holder, a crystal ball, or a spooky bouquet in a black vase. Surround it with small details like tiny pumpkins, spider figurines, or even mini haunted house models. 3. Bewitched bookshelves. If you have bookshelves, don't let them go untouched. Add Halloween decorations like potion bottles, vintage spell books, or even a row of pumpkins. Replace regular decor with fake skeleton hands, ravens, or cauldrons. You can even drape parts of the shelves with black lace or spider webs to intensify the creepy atmosphere. 4. Cozy Halloween nook. Create a cozy Halloween corner by adding a throw blanket in deep autumnal tones, paired with a few spooky-themed pillows on your sofa. Add a floor lantern or large candle holder next to the seating area, and place a skeleton or witch's broom to complete the setup. Which Halloween decoration caught your eye? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear about your own hauntingly creative ideas. For more Halloween decor inspiration, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the next spooky idea. Wall art plays a crucial role in setting the Halloween mood, and it's a simple way to instantly upgrade the look of both your bedroom and living room. 1. Spooky silhouettes. Silhouettes of bats, witches, or haunted houses are easy to DIY with black paper and scissors. Arrange them on your walls to create a shadowy, eerie effect. You can cluster them above the bed in the bedroom or behind the sofa in the living room to give the room a spooky focal point. 2. Gothic portraits. Replace regular wall art with Gothic-style portraits of witches, haunted houses, or skeletons. Old frames with dark wood finishes or gold accents work perfectly to bring in that haunted mansion feel. Hang these portraits in clusters to make a bold statement. 3. DIY chalkboard. Art. If you have a chalkboard or use chalkboard paint, you can draw eerie designs like spider webs, pumpkins, or creepy sayings. What's great about chalkboard art is that you can update the designs all season long, keeping your decor fresh and exciting. It's an excellent way to add some DIY charm to your Halloween setup. 4. Floating shelves. Use floating shelves to display mini Halloween decor items. Arrange skulls, small pumpkins, or ghost figures on these shelves to keep the Halloween spirit elevated. Black candles and potion bottles can also be added to keep the design cohesive and spooky. Want more Halloween decorating tips? Check out the Halloween Decor playlist for even more creative ideas to haunt every corner of your home. Textures and layers play a vital role in bringing out the spooky Halloween ambiance in your space. By incorporating a mix of different fabrics and materials, you can create depth and a haunting vibe in both your bedroom and living room. 1. Cobwebs, gauze, and tulle. Faux cobwebs are a classic and can be draped across furniture, walls, or ceiling corners to create a spooky atmosphere. In the bedroom, you can hang gauze or tulle over the headboard or windows, adding a ghostly effect. These lightweight fabrics, draped carefully, instantly give your space that eerie, haunted look. 2. Velvet and lace. Velvet and lace are perfect for adding a rich, Gothic touch to your decor. In your bedroom, consider using velvet throws or pillows in deep shades of black, purple, or red to enhance the moody feel. Lace curtains or table runners can bring an antique, haunted mansion feel to your living room, creating a delicate yet spooky balance. 3. Layered lighting. Layering different types of lighting can create an eerie yet cozy atmosphere. Use candles, either real or LED, on shelves and tables to cast soft, flickering light. String lights in Halloween shapes like bats or pumpkins add a playful touch. In your living room, mix overhead lighting with accent lamps and string lights to enhance the layered texture of your decor, bringing everything together. 4. Cozy, yet spooky textures. Add a touch of warmth without losing the spooky theme by layering faux fur throws and knitted blankets. In your living room, drape a dark faux fur blanket over the sofa or chairs to balance out the eerie decor. These textures bring a cozy, inviting feel while keeping the Halloween spirit alive, making your space not just spooky, but also comfortable. Don't stop here. Explore more videos on the channel for Halloween inspiration for every room, from the bathroom to the backyard. And that wraps up our journey through transforming your bedroom and living room into Halloween-inspired spaces. From spooky textures to eerie lighting, we've explored so many ways to bring the Halloween spirit into your home. Remember, whether you're working with cobwebs, velvet throws, or layered lighting, it's all about creating a space that feels haunted yet cozy. Don't worry about going over the top. Sometimes just a few spooky touches here and there are all you need. Start small with a couple of well-placed decorations like cobwebs or Gothic pillows, and build from there. Halloween is about fun, and your decor should reflect your personal style. Whether you go for a haunted house vibe or something more subtle and elegant, it's all about making the space your own. Also, lighting is your secret weapon. Mixing candles, string lights, and lamps can create an eerie glow that makes all the other elements come alive. And don't forget that textures like velvet and faux fur can add a rich, haunting feel while keeping your space comfortable and inviting. Love the decorations you saw today? Find the links to all the products featured in the video down in the description. Time to get your home Halloween ready. As we close out, remember that Halloween is about creativity and having fun. It's a time to let your imagination run wild and create something magical in your home. So go ahead, layer those textures, set the mood with lighting, and most importantly, enjoy the process of bringing Halloween to life in your bedroom and living room. Happy decorating!